Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I've got 4 different texts. I've got text, fonts, number, and 5. If I select them in order, hold down, so I want it to read text, fonts, number, and 5. Hold down the shift key and grab them in order. And then if I will type in Control L, it's going to put those fonts in those words in the order I want it. So, but let's say you've got a lot of words that you want to do this to, and it'd be easier to marquee them. Well, if you'll select them all and hit Control L, well, I didn't select them all. Select them all and hit Control L. You see that it didn't put them in the right order. But if you will Control Z and then Control L again, it put it in the right order. Now, I don't know why that does that, but that's a way around it. So if you had hundreds of words, and what's pretty nice about this is, let me break them apart. The text could be closer. Let's go too close. The text could be further away. And we're just going to select them in order. So I want the green text, shift key. I'm holding down the shift key. I want them in that order. I'm going to Control L. And it not only put them in that order, but it spaced them out appropriately, even though the text they were touching before. So Control L, Control Z, and the shift key. Hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.